In this problem, we would like to find how much it will take for an investment of $4,000 to grow to $6,500 at an annual interest of 6.5% compounded quarterly. Okay, so this is a compound interest formula, and the formula is given to us in the question. Normally, or previously, what we were doing is we were given the initial amount, the rate, and the compounding times per year and the time, and we were finding the final amount. In this case, we are given the initial and the final amount, the interest rate and the compounding times per year, and we are asked to find the time, how long it will take. So we will need to solve this equation for time, which is in the exponent, which is an exponent. Therefore, this is an exponential equation. So let's plug in the values. So the final amount is 6,500. The initial amount is 4,000. So 1 plus, we rewrite the interest rate in decimal form and divide by 4 because we have 4 compounding years when it is compounded quarterly, and the exponent will be 4 times t. Okay, so the exponential expression is this one. So this parenthesis raised to the power 4 times t. So to be able to solve it, we first need to isolate it. So divide both sides by 4,000 so that we get rid of this coefficient. When we divide both sides by 4,000, we get 6,500 divided by 4,000 gives 1.625. And so this equals this parenthesis raised to the power 4 times t. And next, we can just simplify this expression inside. So when you plug it into the calculator, just 1 plus, evaluate this expression, you get 1.01625 as the base. So this base raised to the power 4t equals 1.625. So now we have simplified our exponential equation. So the exponential expression is isolated so that we can change to the logarithmic form. So rewrite in logarithmic form, logarithm in this base, in base 1.01625 of the number 1.625 equals the exponent, which is 4 times t. So we can just evaluate the left side, find its value by using the change of base formula. So plug in ln of 1.625 divided by ln 1.01625 into the calculator to find that the value equals 30.12. So this is 4 times t. So to find t, we divide both sides by 4, so we get 7.5. And again, the question asks us to round to the nearest tenth. Therefore, in the previous step, I put 2 decimal units, so 2 decimal digits after the decimal point, so that when you divide both sides by 4, you get the correct rounding digits when you round to the nearest tenth. So t, the time it takes, is 7.5 years.